Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will look into the ideogram.ai. So ideogram.ai is a similar software to Midjourney. It's basically you can log in after just typing it into your ideogram.ai. After you log in using your email address, you'll be redirected to the application itself. And you can see now we are inside the application, and there you go. There are some examples which can be created using this app by just simply describing what you want to see here. Basically, you just put in this prompt, and the prompt will generate those type of images. Okay, so those images are quite interesting, very nice looking. Okay, very similar to what the Midjourney can done. You know, there are some people are saying that the Midjourney might be a better, but definitely Ideogram. You know, definitely they actually improved. And then now those days, you know, those images. Look at this. This is so cool image. You know, this image is really good looking. Some people are saying that the Midjourney is more realistic. You know, I don't know, but I think, you know, from my understanding, you know, the Ideogram created a new version of this application, and those images are really good looking, very realistic looking. Plus, there's additional advantage of using this software is that you can actually create images with build in the text the way like you would want to see it. Okay, some other image generating apps like Midjourney or any others, you know, where you asking them to put some sort of text inside the image, to build in the text inside the image. You know, those texts cannot be sometimes really obvious. Okay, so those there might be misspelling, you know, or the letters might not just look good, you know, the way like you expect. But here, look at this. You know, this has all been built by the AI straight away, and there's already looking good. Okay, so we're gonna go and see some examples here. We create a couple of prompts and see by ourselves what we can achieve here. Okay, so let's do some example by putting this prompt here inside this prompt search bar. Okay, so we want to create a small dog with a sign saying, "I am not a regular dog, I'm a cool dog." Okay, so here are a few things which we can customize right away. Okay, so we can do the magic prompt, we can make it on, we can make it off, we can auto do it. Okay. We can choose the ratio if you want to create something for your mobile, or you want to create something for the full base screen, for example, or you can do it as 16 by 10. Okay, so we can also choose the model. Okay, so there is 3 models available: 0.1, 0.2, and the newest version, as far as I understand, is 1.0. Okay, it even says here Ideogram 1.0 is here. Check out our blog and tweet. Okay, so also you can choose that to be visible only for yourself, or it can be done public. Okay, so once I choose it, okay, so if you want to make it private, okay, you have to choose the Ideogram Plus to unlock private generation. Okay, we are okay with the public one, so I don't mind. You know, I just want to I just want to show you guys what is possible with that tool. Okay, so we can also choose the style. Okay, so there are a few styles available here, which I can choose between cinematic, illustration, 3D, render, or anything else, like, you know, or we can just simply choose the lucky style. Okay, so so it's gonna be 3D rendered. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's possible. Now, it takes a minute or two. Okay, well, it takes a few seconds, to be honest with you. Okay, start generating the image. Okay, the image is starting slowly appearing on our screens. Okay, and we have a full version of it. Okay, so now let's look at this one here. Okay, it's a funny looking small dog. It looks like it has glasses. Okay, but I don't think there are glasses. It's just not really. You know, it's not really, you know, authentic looking, but that's fine. You know, it is just an example. It's an AI generating model, so it's fine. And I'm just going to more focus on the sign. So I'm not a dog. I'm not a regular dog. I'm a cool dog. Okay, so here, So we wanting them to say, I am not a regular dog, I am a cool dog. So I am not a regular dog, I am a cool dog. Okay, so there's one not added addition, but that's fine. It's still looking absolutely amazing. There's like those letters are looking very cool. You can definitely read what's on it. So it's absolutely fine. Sometimes this is all AI, and it's absolutely fine when those mistakes are happening. It's better than used to be. Okay, so let's select the other image. Okay, here, okay, it says I am not a regular dog. I'm a cool dog, which is also the double that regular thing where misspell the second regular there's a word. It's absolutely no problem. It's only an image which I will want to show as an example for you guys. Okay, let's see here. This one, we're in this regular, so it looks like this prompt actually make them problematic to create that regular sound here. Okay, there are a few things which are a bit different from what we are expecting. Okay, and the last one is, actually quite good. So I am not a regular dog, I am a cool dog. Okay, so here it's only N instead of N. Okay, but then they actually put that apostrophe here. Okay, so still what we can do, okay, for example, we choose let's choose one of those. Okay, so let's choose this one here, and we do some remix. Okay, so we want this image to be remixed. Okay, and see what is it possible if we use that original image as a starting point. Okay, so we can put the weight of that image. Okay, so let's put that to the maximum magic prompt. We can do this on. Okay, and also the model, we want to go ahead with this, I don't know, let's go 0.1, and also we want to be looking at see what is it, and we will choose it now. I think we will choose it as a portrait photography. Okay, let's see, and we will remove this one here. Okay, so let's generate and see what's happening. Okay, so in the meantime, we can see what the other things are doing. Okay, so for example, this one here was created 31 minutes ago. This one I really like this turtle, the sea turtle. Okay, the other one here, it was 11 minutes ago. It was created. This one was 22 minutes ago. Here we got a Jesus created 38 minutes ago. Okay, so it's even signed being implemented here. Okay, inside this image. So yeah, it was been done without any sort of misspelling. I don't think it belongs here, but that's fine. It's still the implementation of that image is quite cool. Okay, so let's go and see another one here. Okay, so and for example here, relax your mind. Okay, it nicely implemented text inside that image. Okay, and you can see the whole prompt, which created. You can see here the whole prompt which was used to create that image. Okay, so somebody actually put a lot of work actually to create something like that, but the outcome is quite interesting. Okay, now here there is a card. It's looking like a card, isn't it? So and here's some motivational quote, which also been implemented. Here's a prompt. And as I said, like this software is quite good with implementation of those sentences inside the image. Okay, it is quite good in comparison to what was available till now. It is also you just need to be worked through times before you can see the final outcome. Which will be perfect for you guys. But definitely, it's something. What can be here is we can do that by putting those prompts and to make something different adjustments here too. We are happy with the outcome. Okay, so those 4 images were created. Okay, and see. Okay, so let's choose it like that. Now let's choose this one. But this time the image weight will be much lower, nearly nothing. Okay, we'll make it cinematic. And also weight. Let's make it this model 0.1. And the magic prompt will be off. Okay, hold on a second now. No, let's make it with a magic compound. Okay, so let's get another goal. Here you got a picture, it's beautiful, like it's all painted picture, absolutely amazing. It's really a stunning picture. It looks for me like somebody is really actually using their skills to make that paint. Like, it's absolutely fantastic. And here is the prompt. Okay, so it says like standing wall painting feature the picture. It's cool. It's absolutely cool. So I do encourage you guys to go and check that tool. It's quite amazing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we go. So we choose some of the customization here, and we have it here. The other, the other styles. Okay, so here we go. So now, for example, here, as just one, and there is a magic prompt, and there is prompt here. I don't see that sign here anymore, but only because probably what I don't, I just choose those customizations here, and I use it, the weight of that image to be very low. Okay, so basically they haven't done all the details which belongs to that original prompt. I was asking them to do so. Okay, so look, guys, I was just thinking that this is a great a new tool. Like this tool is not such a new one, but they definitely improved the outcome. And as you can see here, we got plenty of examples where you can actually implement the text into it. Like for example here, it's really nice, implementation of the original text we want to get into the images. So for example, here, I think it's worth to check it out if somebody is using the Midjourney or any other tools, which were offering, text to image generating, definitely the ideogram is something to go and have a look into it. As I said, like you can go and use it for free unless you want to stay private, so all those images which you create will be visible to everyone, like to myself, and I can send, who's creating words, 17 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, and so on and so forth. But if you want to keep it private, you just need to go for that pro plan, and I don't know, let's see what this is. And this private plan there it says, okay, so okay, let's go and check that private plan. Okay, so the private plan, okay, let's go for the monthly. Okay, so for the basic plan, you're gonna be paying $8. For the plus plan, you're gonna be paying $20. And then inside the plus plan, you got this private generation included. Okay, inside the free plan and basic plan, there is no private generation included. But that's fine. It's absolutely no problem if you want to just go and test it and test that tool, to see what's possible. I think the outcomes are pretty amazing, and they are quite interesting in comparison to Midjourney and the other text to image generation tools. Okay, so look, friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video interesting. If you did so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.